The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is quickly becoming one of the most discussed upcoming devices in the creator world, and the excitement goes far beyond a single leaked specification or flashy headline feature. What truly sets this camera apart is the growing belief that it may finally solve many of the long-standing compromises creators have accepted in ultra-compact cameras for years. Earlier Osmo Pocket models were celebrated for their portability and excellent stabilization, but they were often treated as secondary tools rather than main production cameras. With the rumored direction of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, DJI appears ready to change that perception entirely, aiming squarely at creators who want serious image control without giving up mobility. Instead of positioning the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 as a convenient backup or casual vlogging device, the leaks suggest DJI is designing it as a capable primary camera for a wide range of shooting styles. This signals a clear shift in philosophy. The focus is no longer just on keeping footage steady in a tiny form factor, but on giving creators greater authority over how their images look and feel. That balance between convenience and control is where the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 seems poised to stand out. At the center of this evolution is the sensor. According to multiple reports, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 will feature a next-generation 1-inch CMOS sensor, a familiar size for the series but with far more advanced internal technology. This time, the sensor is rumored to offer a 50-megapixel resolution, marking a substantial jump over previous generations. While the physical dimensions of the sensor may remain unchanged, newer sensor designs typically deliver improvements that go well beyond pixel count. Enhanced light sensitivity, faster readout speeds, and more refined signal processing can dramatically elevate overall image quality. For creators, the significance of this sensor upgrade lies not in headline resolution numbers but in the flexibility it unlocks. A higher resolution sensor captures more image data across the frame, which can be leveraged in multiple ways. It allows for cleaner downsampling, better noise reduction, and sharper final output, even when delivering in lower resolutions like 4K. More importantly, it often results in improved dynamic range, an area where compact cameras have historically struggled. High contrast scenes are a constant challenge for small cameras. Bright skies, harsh sunlight, and deep shadows frequently force creators to compromise, sacrificing either highlights or shadow detail. If the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 delivers meaningful gains in dynamic range, it would allow creators to preserve more information throughout the tonal range. This not only improves the look of footage straight out of the camera but also makes it far more forgiving during color grading and post-production. This kind of flexibility has real-world consequences. Travel vloggers, documentary shooters, and lifestyle creators often work in unpredictable environments where lighting cannot be controlled. Moving between indoor and outdoor locations, filming during golden hour, or dealing with mixed artificial and natural light are everyday realities. A sensor that can adapt smoothly to these conditions reduces technical interruptions and lets creators stay focused on storytelling. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 appears to be built with these real shooting scenarios in mind, aiming to reduce friction while expanding creative freedom. One of the most talked about rumored features is the inclusion of a variable aperture, a change that could fundamentally redefine expectations for pocket-sized cameras. Fixed apertures have long been one of the biggest limitations in compact designs. In bright conditions, creators are forced to compensate by increasing shutter speed, which may solve exposure issues but often results in unnatural-looking motion. Footage can appear jittery or overly sharp, especially when subjects or the camera itself are moving. A variable aperture provides a far more natural solution. By physically limiting the amount of light entering the lens, creators can maintain cinematic shutter speeds even under harsh sunlight. This preserves natural motion blur and gives footage a smoother, more professional feel. Until now, this level of exposure control has largely been reserved for larger cameras and high-end drones. Introducing it in the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 would represent a significant shift, suggesting DJI views compact cameras as serious creative instruments rather than simple convenience tools. Beyond technical exposure control, a variable aperture also brings subtle creative advantages. Although a 1-inch sensor cannot produce extremely shallow depth of field, aperture adjustments still influence background rendering and subject separation. This allows creators to fine-tune the aesthetic of their footage rather than being locked into a single visual look. The rumored inclusion of this feature suggests DJI is prioritizing creative intent, not just ease of use. Video capabilities are another area where the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to make major strides. The rumored introduction of 6K recording has generated considerable discussion, but its real value lies in what it enables rather than the resolution itself. While most creators still deliver content in 4K or lower, capturing footage in 6K offers significant flexibility during editing. It provides extra room to crop, stabilize, and reframe shots without compromising final image quality. This kind of flexibility is especially valuable for solo creators. When filming alone, perfect framing is not always possible, particularly in fast-moving or unpredictable environments. Shooting in 6K allows creators to capture wider shots and refine composition later, effectively creating multiple angles from a single clip. For vloggers and travel creators, this can mean fewer retakes and greater confidence when shooting on the move. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 seems designed to support this fast, efficient style of content creation. High frame rate recording further expands the camera's versatility. Current rumors point to support for 4K at 120 frames per second, a widely accepted standard for high-quality slow-motion footage. This frame rate offers a strong balance between resolution and motion smoothness, making it ideal for cinematic slow-motion sequences. Slow motion can add emotional impact, highlight details, and elevate storytelling across genres ranging from travel to lifestyle and commercial content. Some leaks even suggest the possibility of 4K at 240 frames per second. If this feature becomes reality, it would be remarkable for a camera of this size. It would allow creators to capture fast-moving action with extreme smoothness, placing the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 closer to specialized action cameras in terms of performance. Combined with rumored 10-bit color depth and log profiles such as D-Log-M, the camera could produce footage that integrates seamlessly into professional editing and color grading workflows. The lens system itself may also see meaningful innovation. Increasing speculation points to a dual lens configuration, potentially offered in a higher-end version of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. This would address one of the most persistent limitations of compact cameras, the lack of true optical zoom. Digital zoom, while convenient, inevitably reduces image quality and limits creative flexibility. If these rumors ultimately prove accurate, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 will represent far more than a routine generational update. It will signal a broader shift in how compact cameras are designed and who they are meant for. By combining advanced imaging hardware, professional level control, and DJI signature stabilization in a truly portable form, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 could redefine expectations for mobile filmmaking. For creators who value freedom of movement without sacrificing creative authority, this may stand out as one of the most important camera releases of the year.